Welcome back to the breathtaking world of the Osprey family. In our previous installment, we witnessed the remarkable journey of a devoted Osprey couple as they nurtured their three precious chicks, just 3 weeks into the adventure of life. Today, we invite you to join us once again as we delve deeper into their world, capturing the heartwarming moments of care and devotion that define the essence of family. As the days unfold, the Osprey parents tirelessly continue their duties, ensuring the well-being of their growing offspring. Our lens captures the intricate dance of parenthood as these majestic birds provide not just food and shelter, but also a lesson in resilience and unity. So, prepare to be enchanted as we witness the Osprey family's ongoing tale, a story of strength, love, and the unbreakable bonds that tie them together. Let the wings of anticipation carry you as we embark on another chapter in the extraordinary life of this
Good. That
remarkable
means it's gonna be
Osprey
bringing
family.
some stuff back here.
Our three young chicks, now a bit more feathered and adventurous, are wide awake and perched at the edge of the nest, their eyes fixed on the sky. It's breakfast time in the Osprey household, and the air is filled with the promise of a new day. A sudden shift in the atmosphere triggers a vigilant response. High above the lake, Mother Osprey emits a distinct call, a call that resonates with urgency. The three chicks, perched with youthful curiosity, pick up on the signal and instinctively heed their mother's warning. With synchronized precision, the chicks lower themselves down into the safety of the nest, their heads peeking over the edge in anticipation. Mother Osprey, her eyes scanning the horizon, remains poised, a sentinel in the sky. The cause of this sudden alert soon becomes apparent as a magnificent trumpeter swan gracefully glides into view. Its wings, a study in elegance, create ripples in the tranquil air as it passes overhead. The Osprey family watches in awe as this majestic visitor, a symbol of the wild and untamed, journeys through their domain. In the delicate dance of nature, moments like these serve as a reminder that even in the seemingly serene realm of the Osprey family, the wild beauty of the world can stir the senses and demand a response. As the days turn into weeks, the osprey chicks undergo a remarkable transformation. Their once downy feathers now give way to the sturdy plumage of adolescence, and with each passing moment, their hunger for knowledge and sustenance grows. The feeding routine becomes a more frequent. The parents, tireless in their commitment, engage in a delicate choreography of hunting and providing for their rapidly growing offspring. As the sun climbs high in the sky, casting its warmth upon the world below, a new challenge arises for our devoted osprey family. The heat of the day intensifies, and with a keen awareness of their chicks' well-being, the osprey parents unveil a nurturing display of protection. Behold as the majestic wings of the osprey parents unfurl, creating a natural canopy over the nest. Like skilled architects, they fashion a sheltering shade, shielding their precious chicks from the relentless sun. In this tender moment, the essence of parenthood takes flight, providing not only sustenance but also safeguarding against nature's elements. The chicks, nestled comfortably beneath the protective embrace of their parents, experience a respite from the sweltering heat. The air shimmers with the care and consideration that the osprey family extends to one another, a testament to the intricacies of their familial bonds.
Doesn't look safe. So that doesn't look too safe. Oh yeah. Four of them standing up.
Passing down essential skills becomes a cornerstone of the osprey family's legacy. As the chicks mature, the art of taking over a freshly caught fish becomes a pivotal lesson, one that ensures not just their own sustenance but the continuity of a time-honored tradition. Watch closely as the osprey parents, masters of the aerial hunt, demonstrate this crucial skill with finesse. The exchange unfolds like a graceful dance, a seamless transition of the prized catch from one set of talons to another. The chicks, perched on the precipice of adulthood, observe this intricate ritual with keen interest. The osprey couple, with a shared understanding that transcends language, guides their offspring through the motions. Wings spread wide, they showcase the art of cooperation and precision, a visual language that speaks volumes in the realm of survival. In the quiet moments between lessons, a transformative scene unfolds within the osprey nest. One of the chicks, fueled by newfound confidence, seizes the opportunity to take control. With a determined gleam in its eye, the young osprey reaches down to the freshly caught fish, its beak opening wide as it takes its very first independent bite. This singular act marks a profound milestone, a declaration of autonomy and a step forward on the path to self-reliance. The chick, once reliant on the careful provisions of its parents, now tastes the freedom of sustenance earned through its own efforts. As the other chicks look on, a silent acknowledgement passes through the nest, a recognition of growth and individuality. The mother osprey observes with a mix of pride and reassurance, knowing that their teachings have borne fruit. As we conclude this video, we extend our deepest gratitude to you, our cherished audience, for sharing in the intimate moments of the Osprey family's journey. Your presence has added wings to this captivating narrative of life, love, and the enduring spirit of the wild. The Osprey family, with its unwavering bond and resilience, has illuminated the intricate dance of nature. But fear not, for this is not the end. The story of our feathered protagonists continues to unfold, and the next chapter awaits in the forthcoming video. As we bid farewell to this installment, we invite you to stay tuned, to keep your eyes on the sky and your hearts open to the wonders that nature so graciously offers. Until we meet again, thank you for being a part of this extraordinary tale. The Osprey family's saga continues, and we can't wait to share the next enchanting chapter with you.